Still wondering why your bank account looks like it ghosted you? You check your balance and it's just vibes and potential. Let's talk about why you're still broke and, more importantly, how to fix it. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have actual steps to start stacking your money instead of watching it disappear. 1. Lifestyle creep, the sneaky wallet drainer. So you got a raise? Congrats. But hold up. Why did your expenses also get a raise? 1 minute you were fine with your $5 coffee. Now you need a daily oat milk caramel macchiato with extra drizzle. You used to be okay with your old car, but suddenly a new ride feels like a necessity. Fix it. Before upgrading your lifestyle, upgrade your savings. Every time you get a raise, pretend it never happened. Stash that extra cash into investments or an emergency fund before lifestyle creep gets you. 2. Death by subscription. The silent budget killer Netflix, Spotify, Hulu, Disney Plus, Apple Music, that gym you swore you go to. Be honest, how many of these do you actually use? That $9.99 here, Barter $14.99 there, it's adding up. Before you know it, you're paying $100+ a month for things you forgot you even signed up for. Fix it. Do a subscription detox. Go through your statements and cancel anything you don't actively use. If you only watch Netflix once every 2 months, consider sharing a plan or pausing your subscription when you're not using it. 3. Impulse spending, aka retail therapy, gone wrong. You walked into Target for one thing, now you own a whole new personality. And let's talk about Amazon. That buy now button is way too easy. One click and boom, your paycheck is in Jeff Bezos' pocket. Fun fact, stores are designed to make you spend more. That's why the essentials are always at the back of the store. Fix it. Follow the 48-hour rule. If you see something you want, wait 48 hours before buying. If you still want it after 2 days and it fits your budget, go for it. Most of the time, you'll forget about it. 4. The power of a money audit. Okay, now you know why you're broke. Let's talk about fixing it. Do a money audit for 30 days. Track every single dollar you spend. No judgment, no guilt, just awareness. Because when you see where your money is actually going, you'll start making smarter decisions. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or even just your Notes app can help. Treat it like checking your screen time, painful but necessary. Final tip, start paying future you. Here's a game changer. Every paycheck, before you spend a single dollar, pay yourself first. That means 10% to savings, 10% to investments, percent to an emergency fund. If you do this consistently, future you will be living stress-free while everyone else is wondering where their money went. Being broke is so last season. Let's start making better money moves. Question for you, what's your biggest money struggle right now? Drop it in the comments. And of course, subscribe for more money tips because we're all about securing the bag.